घर बैठे बैठे अगर तुम्हें 100 रुपए के कपड़े डिलीवर हो रहे हैं, सो व्हाई नॉट टू गेट इट। Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another video. My name is Sonal. Oh my God, ऐसे बैठ के मैं काफी टाइम बाद एक कोई वीडियो बना रही हूँ एंड मैं इंट्रोडक्शन ही भूल गई कैसे करना है। बट या एनीवेज, होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग वेल। मैंने अभी रिसेंटली स्नैपडील से कुछ कपड़े मंगाए हैं, जिसमें से 3 है शॉर्ट कुर्तीज एंड 3 है बेसिक everyday top that you can literally wear in college. So I was just scrolling on Snapdeal. So I keep shopping from Myntra, from New Me, from Savannah, from Urbanic, and ऐसे ही मेरे दिमाग में आया कि let's try Snapdeal for the very first time. And I saw so many options. Like, you will find so many options at a very affordable price. And talking about the quality, I am not at all complaining, you guys. The quality is genuinely so good. बिना कोई बड़बड़ किए let's just dive into the video. मैंने इसका short video भी बनाया था, and I just thought I'll just come here, sit down and talk about the quality, the pricing and everything, so that तुम्हें भी एक अच्छा खासा idea मिल जाए. So the first piece that I got is this red kurti. Now look at the detailing. This is 100% cotton material, and look at that. I love the print. I love the color combination that is going here. And the best part, मुझे इसके sleeves लगे. I'll insert the video here where I'm actually wearing it. And मुझे genuinely इसके sleeves बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे लगे. यहाँ से ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा fitted है, and यहाँ से it is very loose. So it looks very nice once you wear it. Talking about the price, इसका MRP कुछ it was somewhere around 1300, but I just got it for rupees 280, and I am genuinely obsessed with short kurtis, you can say. And 280 में with this good quality, it's a steal deal, you guys, and I really loved it. Next, ये भी एक short kurti है, but this is in the black and white color. Look at the print, it is so good. Again, the material is cotton, and इसका पैटर्न ना थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है कंपेयर टू द फर्स्ट वन. इसका जो नेक है ये है स्क्वायर नेक, एंड इसके सामने यू कैन सी देयर इज दिस छोटा छोटा डिटेलिंग, and the same detailing is on the sleeves also, which looks so good. You can definitely wear this with white bottoms or maybe a blue jeans. This looks so good. It's a straight fit kurta, by the way. And yeah, I've already worn it with white palazzo pant, and it looks so good. I really loved it. I got this only for rupees 298, which is not bad. लास्टली आई हैव दिस ब्लू शॉर्ट कुर्ती. नाउ ये तीनों में से ये मेरा सबसे ज्यादा फेवरेट है, इज बिकॉज इसका पहली बात तो ये वी नेक है, एंड इसका ना थोड़ा सा, इफ यू विल नोटिस, यहाँ पे थोड़ा वंस आई वेयर इट, इसका थोड़ा पैटर्न इज कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट दैन अदर टू. एंड इसका स्लीव्स, it is very normal, but I genuinely loved the color. The white combination with the blue looks so good. Again, I wore this with white palazzo pant, and I got so many compliments. Even my mom loved it so much. And talking about the price, I only and only got this for rupees 250, and I'm so happy with the purchase. I genuinely liked it. And अगर तुम यहाँ से देखोगे तो यहाँ से इसका जो डिजाइन है थोड़ा सा ये फ्रिल टाइप है. So that's that. Any which ways, you will see in the video here. And yeah, these are the 3 short kurtis that I got from Snapdeal. Now let's talk about the 3 top wear that I got. So when we talk about basic, obviously a black is a must have, and this is how it looks like. It's a very simple black tank top. And talking about the price, this is only and only for rupees 100. लाइक घर बैठे बैठे अगर तुम्हें 100 रुपए के कपड़े डिलीवर हो रहे हैं, सो व्हाई नॉट टू गेट इट. एंड यू विल नेवर गो रॉन्ग विथ ब्लैक टैंक टॉप, बिकॉज यू कैन डेफिनेटली स्टाइल इट इन सो मेनी वेज. नॉट ओनली ब्लैक बट ऑल्सो white. You can never go wrong with black and white basic. I think it should, like, you all, like, every girl must have white and black basic in her wardrobe for sure. Then I got full sleeves top in white color. Now I got this somewhere around 150 rupees, but I'm not genuinely happy with the material and the quality of the top. सो आई डोंट थिंक दैट आई recommend दिस, बट इन केस अगर तुम्हें ये वाइट कलर में चाहिए तो जो मैंने ब्लैक टैंक टॉप दिखाया था उसके अंदर काफी सारे कलर ऑप्शंस है, तो यू कैन डेफिनेटली गो विद white as well, but I don't recommend this one, so it's a no for me. Lastly, I have this blue color crop top. Now this fits so good. इसका जो sleeves है, it hugs my body so nicely and I loved the color. This suits my skin tone so well. You can wear it with a very loose fit pants or maybe very light sky blue jeans. Like that's what I can think of right now. This I got it for rupees 250 and I feel it's totally worth it. So yeah, these are my purchase from Snapdeal. All the links will be mentioned in the description box and iska sabka size L hai. Let me know if you want me to do more such videos or या फिर तुम्हारा अगर कोई भी recommendation है, just leave it in the comments down. And yeah, I am trying to be consistent on my YouTube channel. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do because it's free of course. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.